Super Soft Absorbent Towel. Set of 12 towels. Each kitchen towel is measured 15 by 26 inch. Each terry towel is made of 100% cotton Dobby weave, which gives them an incredibly soft feel and absorbency to dry effectively. Treat yourself with these beautiful kitchen towels. This picks up every drop. When it comes to messy accidents in your home, you don't want to have to keep getting new towels and cleaning rags to mop it up. These multi-purpose dishcloths are made to hold 3 times their weight in liquid, so a single towel will get the entire job done. Plus, they're perfect for instantly drying dishes, glasses and pots to keep your kitchen tidy. Multi-purpose kitchen towel. Use them for wiping hands, drying dishes, or general cleaning chores. Easily tackles any stain or spills. A reusable towel durable enough to withstand repeated uses and washings. Easy care fast dry. Machine washable and safe to dry. Recommended to wash before first use. Do not use fabric softeners. Tumble dry low. For best results, dry immediately to avoid mildew. Do not iron. We've got you covered. Indulge in luxury that lasts with our White Classic complimentary 2-year extended. Cotton Super Soft Absorbent Towel. Set of 12 towels, each measuring 15 by 26 inches. Each terry towel is constructed of 100% cotton Dobby weave, giving them an extraordinarily soft feel and absorbency to dry effectively. Reward yourself with these exquisite kitchen towels. This picks up every drop. You don't want to have to continually buying new towels and cleaning rags to clean up after a messy mishap in your home. These multi-purpose dishcloths are designed to hold 3 times their weight in liquid, so you can get the job done with only one towel. They're also great for drying dishes, glasses, and pots quickly to keep your kitchen tidy. Multi-purpose kitchen towel. Use for wiping hands, drying dishes, or general cleaning tasks. Readily handles any stain or spill, and is a reusable towel durable enough to endure numerous uses and washings. Easy care fast dry. Machine washable and safe to dry. Wash before first use. Do not use bleach or fabric softeners. Tumble dry low. Dry promptly for optimum results to avoid mildew. Do not iron. We've got you covered. With our White Classic complimentary 2-year extended warranty, you can indulge in luxury that lasts. Top reviews from the United States. Nice well-made towels. These towels are nice. They are a good size and seem to be well made. I am not sure about the durability, but I have washed them a few times now and they are holding up quite well. I would recommend buying these, and should I need to replace them, I would buy these again.